You can dodge every single thing when... Oh, there's the mouse. I'm just super bad. Just like that. Oh my god. That hand. No, I missed him. Bastard. Oh shit, not this again. The high fives, yeah. They hurt. A whole bunch. I'm dead. I'll check if the 60 frames thing works. Hey, it took me a really long time to get good at Dark Souls 2. It's nothing to be ashamed of. Nah, quitting is the only shameful act of Dark Souls. You got that right. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Oh, that's 2 deaths. Alright, I'm just gonna quickly... What the fuck was that? Okay. Yep, 5... Oh yeah. 573. Alright, let's change that. Let's get rid of that. View. Settings. Top right. And play. Apathy's Will. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Pain Train. Much appreciated. I'm pressing backspace, but I don't think it's working. Apologies about me having to go so much. That's all good, dude. You gotta, you gotta do what you gotta do. Get squished, yeah. I got really squished. He pretty much hammered my head into the ground with his pole thing. Okay, load game. Yeah, it's taken me 62 hours so far to get to where I'm at now. And these are other characters I made that I just had no idea what I was doing when I first got the game like months ago. So yeah, back to my main. I'm pressing backspace, but it doesn't seem to be changing the FPS. Never mind. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, because it works fine on XP 7, 8, 8.1, 32-bit, 64-bit, you know, professional, home, every single version's of Windows but 10. That's what from what I'm gathering. It doesn't really work that well on Windows 10. But just a heads up, while streaming certain PC games, they might crash on my Windows 10, but because I've got a disc, if it's just, I don't know, too bad, I'll just reformat my computer. But yeah. Yeah, you gave me the link, dude. I followed it and everything, and it just can't like, I've unlocked it properly in the dsfix.ini. You did? Brotorius? I recently ran it at 60 FPS on Windows 10 with dsfix. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. I changed the dsfix.ini and everything. I've even uninstalled it, did a fresh patch over, and yeah, still nothing. I don't know what it is. Rotorius, welcome to the pain train, mate. Much appreciated. Oh shit. Ah. Yeah, that was pretty much fucked from the get-go. Yeah, like, I'm playing this game on a GTX 970 and 30 frames, it still looks good, you know. It's a pretty old game. DS Fix to me is good enough. Like, I don't really need the... I'm not too bothered about the 60 FPS. Like, I would be bothered about the 720 resolution, because damn those pixels. But 1080p, it's pretty dope. I heard too that 60 FPS breaks things on a couple of YouTube videos, but I'm quite complacent with the 30 FPS 1080p. It's looking quite nice, especially for a really old game. And compared to like other games out today. Really? There's a chance you can fall through the world sliding down ladders. That's pretty, it breaks ladders. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Is this the last boss? Grey? Hell no. Oh, Pimpin', I was asking you if you could tell me how many bosses I have left. I beg of you. Far from it? Oh, man. How many bosses are in the game? And then I might have an idea. Oh, God. Matt Fran, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Pain Train. Much appreciated, dude. Welcome aboard. Okay. Oh my god. 8 or so. Oh, what? Oh my god. I have heard bosses after this guy are quite easy, but I could be wrong. Or I'm dreaming. Oh my god. Really? Yeah, I did know they were rough. I had a heads up. But I'm doing it to myself. Oh shit. What the fuck? Six flasks. Shit. Oh! This is the most I've ever gotten his health down to. Shit. Now he's just gonna fuck me up. Oh my god. Oh, that jump slam. Oh my god. Oh my god. If I kill him, I'm literally gonna throw my controller on the ground and kick it. Oh no! That's the furthest I've got him down to. Heavy hits, first playthrough? Yeah, man. Welcome to the stream, dude. Cheers for the follow, dude. Welcome to the pain train. Much appreciated. Awesome. Damn, that was the furthest I got him down to. I kind of feel like I need to, like, especially face tanking him. Fuck. I think I need to rekindle, but I honestly don't know if I have enough, humanities left. Oh, one humanity, I can't rekindle again. Oh, no! Oh, dudes. This is rough. This boss is so rough. I know, 175. Oh, he's so rough. It also breaks roll distance. It can break certain animations and UI transitions, such as bonfire menu opening. You could farm a humanity here. I could? Yeah. That's pretty funny, kid. Hey, hey. Yeah, Pimpin's got an eye on you guys. He's watching yous. He's gripping that handle. He's got a firm grip. I reckon I've got it. If I just keep doing, it's too rough. Got to New Londo. I won't say why or how it helps, but it can. If it's too rough, go to New Londo. Les gone to bed? Yeah, he's got a big day at work today. Wait, is it? Yeah, today. It's past midnight. You can summon Sif for this battle. The fuck? Line run, no tips. Yeah. Wait, Sif? What, the wolf? Sif. Oh my god. Oh shit. One hit and I'm dead again. He's not allowed heavy. Oh, you deleted his message. Oh dear. You do realise I can still see it. But I won't click on it, don't worry. I think I already read it. No stress, heavy. Wasn't me. He's not that hard, is he? This guy? He's a bit of a tough one. He's nowhere near as hard as Artorias. Artorias, the name kind of reminds me of the alcohol, Stella Artois. Or is it beer? I can't remember. Yeah, a beer. Stella Artois. Banzi, what is this? Dude, this is Manus. Manus, sorry. And I'm doing terribly. Oh, what? Yeah, Stella Artois is a beer. It's French. Oh, okay. I didn't know that. I like beer. I've drank in a bit of Stella Artois, but it's a sweet beer. Very smooth too. Shit. That was too early. This is like trying to stab a giant with a toothpick. Literally, or a needle. Oh my god. No. Oh, he got me. Now I'm locked in. Damn. Yeah, beer in the UK is lager. I'm not sure if all beers in the UK is lager. Oh my god.